Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another DIY, so grab your t-shirt, scissors, sewing machine and let's get started. For this step you're going to lay a skirt or dress on top of your t-shirt, which is going to act as a guideline when you're cutting. For this next step, you're going to get your bikini bra, lay it on top of your sleeves and cut following that shape. We don't really have enough material to work with, so we have to use what we have. I'm cutting out 2 pieces for each part because we're going to be double lining this one. We don't want it to be see-through. For this step we need 2 long strings, but since we don't have enough fabric, we're going to cut 4 strings and then we will just attach them together to get 2 long strings. We have another remaining part, so we're going to cut almost like 4 inches wide, and that is going to act as the waistband. We will be attaching that one to the kind of bra part. So go ahead and fold your strings and sew them on the wrong sides. You can either use fabric glue or you can hand stitch them. For this step we're going to be turning our strings in and out to have that clean finishing. So for the rest of the video I'm just going to let you just see exactly what I'm doing, and please just follow along. Thank you. So now that you have 2 pieces, go ahead and insert 1 string just the way I've done, and then pin it around and then sew it together. for this step, you're going to go ahead and put your skirt together by sewing it. So now we're going to insert our elastic. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. I do post a new video every Monday and Wednesday. Monday for the random videos, Wednesday for the DIY. So till next Monday, bye.